Hi all. In this video, we'll see basic operations. Okay, how we can perform using the terminal, and later we'll start the variables. How we can declare, yeah, how we can store the uh, values, and later we'll start the data types. Okay. Now I'm just opening my Python terminal. Let's see few operations how we can do, how we can uh, print directly, like just like basic operation, like 2 plus like 15. How much? Okay, directly it will work like a calculator. 17. Like 2 minus 3. How it will work? Minus 1. Like 10 minus 10. So directly like it will work. Okay, like it will do arithmetic operation, it will give the result. Like 10 by 2. How it will give? 5.0. So it will give zero point 0. Like 13 by 2. 6.5. Okay, after digit, okay, decimal value also it will give. Like I don't want this 6.5. So 13, 2 slashes. So it will round it to only integer. Okay. Whenever required integer value, then we can go with this one. Yeah. Just like this. I want like, I'm just giving A. Let's see. Uh, minus. Just giving A. Let's see. These are alphabets, right? How it will be here. See. A name is not defined. So it is considering some variable. It's not considering. Okay. So it is checking. So it is considering as a just variable. See, name A is not defined. Clear? So whatever the mathematical calculations directly we can do it here. And same thing you want to print. Like I want to do in the like see, I'm giving 2 minus 2. Direct I'm doing in the print function. Okay, print function we use to print the values. See, 0 is correct. So I want to do some modulo 10. Okay, 2. See, 0. That's what, right? Let me print. So directly I'm uh, doing like calculation. I'm just printing. Okay, like 15. See, this is the one. So like this, you can do basic operations. Okay, then something values you want to print it, you can use the print is a function. Okay, so only remember this one. It it will round it to uh, integer. Okay, if you use double slash. Okay, so these are basics only. Okay, we will deep dive in the next videos. Okay, the same thing you want to print it out. Same thing you want to do in the Visual Studio Code. You can do it here. Yes, I will show you few examples. Okay, so while practicing, you can practice in any as I told right in command line you can practice. Okay, you can use Visual Studio Code. I will give one example. Let me. I'm creating one more file. Python basic operations. PY. Yeah, here. Let's see how it will be here. Like I'm doing 2 minus 2. See, I'm just executing. Let me save it. Yeah, I'm saving. Just I'm executing. Here, see, nothing is coming. So let me print. I will tell you. 2 minus. Okay. I'm just execute. I saved it. Just execute. Now see, results are coming. So only difference is here is the directly terminal, right? So the moment you execute the command, okay, whatever the statement you are executing, immediately you are getting output. Okay. Now here, whatever, right, you need to print it in this output. Okay, that is the name. So but here by default, where it is printing in output. This is the terminal, right? So by default, like output, like here only printing here. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay. Now let me one more try. 12 plus 12. I'm just saving. Okay, I'm just executing again. See, it's not printing. Okay, let me keep this one in the print. Okay. Yeah, 0, 24. 2 minus 2, 0. 12 plus 12, 24. See, like this, you can practice. 15 divided by, I'm just saving. Let's see how it will be. See, 7.5. You don't want zero point 0.5. Okay, just print 15, 5. I'm using double slash. Okay, now I'm saving. Just execute it. See, 7. The same way you can do modulo also. Print 15 modulo 2. See, 1 is coming. So like this, you can practice. The same thing if you want to practice in the Databricks creation, yes, you can do. So these are three. I'm showing three options. We have so many options where you can practice. Okay. Going forward, I will follow Visual Studio Code and Databricks. Two I'm going to use. Okay. Here, yeah, I open my Databricks free edition. Uh, yeah, I've opened one notebook. Okay, that is Python session. Yeah, here you can make sure select serverless right hand side. Once you select, it will come as a like see connected. Now same thing you can practice it. Just let's see here 2 plus 2. See 4 is coming. So here coming by default. Okay, output here only showing right. So it is showing. Okay, so by default output is here. Something you want to, you can use same thing for print also. So, so both here it will work. See, 4 will come. So like this you can do practice. Okay. Anyway, in the using the command line or Visual Studio Code. in the Databricks. Okay, so go with Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you have already installed. If you are not installed, like for time being, practicing using the command line only. Okay, or else if you have already created the free edition Databricks, practice here. Okay, so these are three ways. So these are the basic operations. Okay, we'll start in the next session. Variables, how we can, here I kept two, right? So how we can assign to the variable, how we can call those variables. Okay, those things will start actual Python session. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.